Are you enjoying my heating pad?
She's enjoying your earphones right now.
Chewing on my ear. Hey, hey.
I'm only licking you. Gee, you taste terrific. I'm
I
gonna eat you
know,
up
that's
when
why I
you sleep.
figure.
Good morning, neighborhood community.
Good morning. Hey, you.
I've been up since 12:30.
That's nice.
My kitchen's pretty darn, well, it's not now since Kevin made lunch, but my kitchen was pretty darn clean.
Ow. Yeah, you. Ow.
She likes the way you taste.
Uh-huh.
What can I say? So, that's what I've been doing, working on Scentsy stuff, because we got some really cool stuff happening, guys. Just saying.
That's nice.
That's nice. What are you doing, baby?
Well, I guess I need to go to the store and get something kind of resembles Thanksgiving, right?
Uh-huh.
Maybe some turkey tacos? Or some turkey hot dogs? Or maybe some turkey burgers?
I'll just chop off a couple of your fingers if you keep it up.
Well, there's not going to be much left after your cat has chewed them off here.
My cat likes the way you taste. Well, you keep sitting in her spot.
Apparently.
You don't understand. That is her spot. You're not seeming to grasp that concept.
She licks me like a dog would lick you.
I know. That's
What's
what I
wrong
keep
with this
telling
cat?
you. She's like a dog.
All right. Oh, good morning. It's cold. It's not real cold, but it's cold enough. I didn't bundle up, so I'm not as warm as I could be. Because I was kind of hoping it'd be warmer. But it's overcast. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. It's supposed to be a huge storm in the Midwest, but it doesn't show it hitting here. And we don't get local news, so we're never really sure what's going on unless we do internet research. But our apps and stuff say is snow tomorrow and rain today. So I'm gonna go to the store, pick up what we can for a Thanksgiving feast, since it's just going to be Val and I. We're not going to do anything crazy. And I have to go to the post office because I let my post office box lapse, and I didn't know that. They said they sent me letters. So the streets are all parked up in front of the bars, which is interesting. I guess everybody's getting loaded up before the big holiday. And if there's any time left, I will go into the basement and see if I can work on the tractor and such. Things like that. See how that all works out. Okay, so back in the garage, trying to take off this wheel. Everything that I've read and seen on the internet says it should just pull off, but you know, it's 25 years old. I'm gonna have to give it a little persuasion. Now what it has, and only on this side, because the transmission actually only turns this wheel. It has a key in it. I don't know if you could see it. And that's, I think, is what's keeping it from coming off. Of course, it hasn't been greased properly, probably in years. I did spray it profusely with WD-40. I also took my Dremel and grinded around the edge here, because knocking on it like I did mushroom it a little, so make sure it's going to come off all the way. that's all I need. Alright, so I'm gonna put air in this tire. Alright, so I put way too much air in this thing, but it might work in my favor. Because I need to figure out where the leak is from. So I'm going to start with the edge. This is just soapy water. Check for more, but there it is, right there. So here is my leak, right here. Mark it as best as I can. Can't see how I can mark it any better than that. And I will take off the stem. Whee! Okay, so in case you guys have never done something like this, this is just your standard tire plug kit. It's from Slime. I have no preferences. But this one came with everything. It has the little stem remover. And if I had to put in a new valve, I could have done it with this as well. So that's always a good thing to have. So you ream out the hole with the reamer. I'll leave that in there just so I don't lose the spot. And I've got two different sizes here, and I'm thinking that since it's such a small tire, I'm going to go for the smaller one. And this is a sticky piece of rubber. And getting it through here is the hardest part, I think. Now, some of these are designed to insert and twist. This one you just insert and pull straight out. So, and about 2/3 of the total length. Before I do that, I need to cover it with glue. Ooh, that's a little much. Put it on both sides of this. Try to stay in camera, Kevin. That'll make it go in and out a little easier, actually, and then wait about 30 minutes for the whole thing to dry before. Turn the noise off for a little while, and so that went in quite well. I was a little afraid I was going to push the whole thing inside, and almost did, but both ends are sticking out. So now I'm going to let that dry, and then I'll put more air in it. Alright, I put air in it, and it is not leaking. Bravo for me. I bought chains because I'm going to be going up and down a very steep driveway. So I'm gonna move this over to the other table, and we'll try and put these on. So I'll just do it this way. Just gonna make sure. I'm pretty sure these are the right size. This might not have been the right idea. Aha! So there we go. Let me see if I can show this to you. Feels
Do we look alike?
big ears and covered with hair.
Did you hear that? Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi guys. That means lay on your back.
That's what it means.
Oh. I didn't do anything else today. I haven't napped either. I don't know what's going on. I am not sleeping well again at all. And my OCD is kicking in again. So, Kevin keeps getting yelled at.
I keep getting yelled at?
Coffee in my sink, dirty dishes on the counter, throw the trash away.
You think I'm paying attention?
No, obviously not, because you didn't even know you were getting yelled at.
She yells all the time.
I do not.
All the time.
Do not. Do I yell all the time, Angel? Do I yell all the time, baby? No, I don't. You know, Angel's sister passed away yesterday. Her older sister, Tasha. Sure she doesn't remember. Actually, she did. Remember when we went there? When you stopped by there? The dogs remembered her. I asked Karina, I said, do you want me to send Angel back to cheer Mama up? She says, yeah. I said, no. Said,
Darn, how come I didn't hear about this?
just because you would have said yeah.
Put her in an airmail box.
No way, Jose. You'd miss her.
Sure.
You would.
Uh-huh.
Wouldn't he? Wouldn't Daddy miss you? Look at the smile. Can you see her smiling?
Uh-huh.
You got a little smile on your face. You do. Anyway.
Oh, God, I'm so tired.
I know, honey. You're not doing anything tomorrow. We're
I'm
gonna
not.
watch the big balloons float away.
Yeah. All right.
If they end up trying to put those balloons up tomorrow, it's gonna be a disaster. Isn't it? Isn't it, Angel? So what are we watching tonight?
Scary stories to tell in the dark.
Ooh. It sounds like R.L. Stein stuff.
No. I don't know who actually did it, but I know it was a book. And actually, yes, a collection of books. And I knew Megan had one of them when she was a kid.
Yeah.
And who one of the good things about the book was the illustrations. It was very well illustrated.
Oh, yeah, I remember. I
In
can't
black and
remember.
white.
Yeah.
In black and white, and apparently the show went to a great deal of effort to make the characters or the monsters in the show the same as the illustrations. So that's why I wanted to see it.
I see now. I see now. So, okay.
Sorry,
You okay over there?
I yawned.
We boring you?
Yeah.
Alright, well, then I guess we better wrap it up.
Yep.
I guess we better call it an evening.
Bless you. He's
We-
waiting. told you. Woo.
I love you. You're a good girl, yes.
See you tomorrow when everybody's fat with turkey.
What are you, a turkey?
I am.